Welcome back to How Farms Work. I'm Rydog, and this is DJ Roomba. And today, we're going to be cleaning a grain bin. To boldly go where no Roomba has gone before. So I had a crazy idea a while back, and we put a lot of time and effort into cleaning grain bins out every year, but we can never really get them just perfect. And I think I may have found the solution. So I got to thinking, I have this old Roomba in my house, and I've since upgraded, so this one's just kind of been sitting around, and I think that today she's either going to clean the grain bin for us, or she's going to be on her way to Valhalla. Let's climb on in. Last fall, this bin had 2,000 bushels of my soybeans in it, and we did our best to clean it out this summer, but you can never really get it perfectly clean. So, we're going to send Roomba in and see how she does. Now, for those of you who haven't used a Roomba before, it's got 2 rubber brushes on it. It's got quite a bit of dirt in it now. And it's got the side brush here to knock stuff into the brushes. And this is completely randomized. It's just going to run around the inside of the bin a bunch of times and hope that it gets everything cleaned. It's got cliff detection right there. So the manhole, or not the manhole, the auger hole inside in the middle of the bin, it should hopefully not run over and get stuck, but we'll find out. What do you say we get started? I don't think she's gonna have a hard time with the soybeans themselves. I think where we're gonna have problems are when we're running into the stalks of the soybean that are up to like 4 inches in length. But other than that, I think she's gonna do a pretty good job. That's just my bet. Let's see what happens. Good luck, little buddy. And now, we wait. Oh, that's full. Check that out. Dang. I'm something of a scientist myself. It's actually doing a really good job. Doc and I were just talking about different ways that we could make this work just a little bit better, because it is cleaning fairly well. Like over here, it got quite a bit, but in the thicker areas, it has to run it over multiple times, and we are emptying the tank about once every 45 seconds. This isn't exactly for practical use.
It's for science.
It's for science. Has science gone too far? Now it's time to clean out the filter for the Roomba. It was caked in there pretty good. by the battery life on this thing. This is a several-year-old Roomba, and I don't even think it had a full battery when we started. It's been running in this grain bin for right around 2 hours now, and I wouldn't say the floor is clean enough to where you can eat off it, but it's probably one of the cleanest, it's going to be one of the cleanest since we got it, because it actually is getting right down in there. Probably the only way to get it any cleaner would be to get in here with an actual vacuum and vacuum it out. Overall, I'm actually really surprised that we haven't had to recharge the Roomba, and I estimate that I've had to clean out the bin on it about 20-25 times now. Unfortunately, it would be way faster to just sweep it out yourself, and I think you could do a lot better job. I mean, it still missed quite a bit around the auger, but other than that, I mean, it actually did a fairly good job. It's just you have to clean out the trash bin on it 25-30 times just to empty the bin. So that's how a Roomba performs in a grain bin. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Be sure to check out all of our other videos. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and be sure to share this with a friend. And feel free to give any other suggestions that we should send old DJ Roomba out to do. Don't forget, if you guys are interested in any How Farms Work merchandise, be sure to go to howfarmswork.com. There's a link down in the description if you're interested in some clothing. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, guys.